Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Charge the tracker above half so pairing doesn't abort, and update your phone so drivers match. Once done, enable Bluetooth and allow location and notifications for the Fitbit app. These permissions let the app discover and communicate with the tracker. Now open the Fitbit app, sign into your account, and tap the plus or add device button. Select your exact Fitbit model to start the pairing handshake. This tells the app which firmware and setup flow to use. You'll see a persistent code, or the tracker will vibrate to confirm it's the one. Accept that prompt on your phone to complete Bluetooth pairing. Once paired, the app will request to sync. Allow the initial sync so historical data and settings transfer. If a firmware update appears, apply it now because updates fix bugs and enable features. After syncing, configure your goals, notification preferences, and detailed health permissions. These choices control what the tracker records and what alerts appear on your phone. Finish by confirming the app displays battery level, step count, and a recent sync timestamp. That proves the connection is active. If syncing stalls, first turn Bluetooth off and on, then reboot both phone and tracker. These quick resets clear transient issues. If problems persist, reinstall the Fitbit app and sign in again. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort because it unlinks the device from your account. If still stuck, contact Fitbit support with your device model and error details for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.